A very good morning, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this time, let us take a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. And there is a trending topic about looting and thievery, which is happening in Zimbabwe. And we are here to talk about just that. Because if we do not speak, our generation is the one which is going to suffer. These people are looters. These people are thieves. And we need to speak about these issues so that we manage to stop them. So as a people, this is a moment for us to have a conversation about what needs to be done in the nation Zimbabwe, because we can't continue to pretend as if everything is normal. We can't continue to pretend as if things are normal in the nation Zimbabwe. And at a certain point in time, there is a need for us to talk and have an agreement as a nation of the way forward. So we can't outsource everything to politicians. We can't outsource everything to politicians. It's our role, it's our duty as the people to speak out. It's our role, it's our duty as a people to expose these shenanigans, this corruption happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. And let us start by Advocate Fadzai Mahere right here. Okay, so she says the first pick, if authentic, seems to show the office of the secretary to the Ministry of Finance instructing its bank to pay Renform CC on 8 March 2024, a few weeks before Easter. Bear in mind what the alleged audio says about Easter. So this is what is very important at this point in time to say, for those who are saying IMBAVHA, this is what is very important. This is on 8 March 2024, and Easter was there around end of March. This was a payment ndo yakazotaurwa nana Chivayo iyi kuti vakaigamuchira, and pakangotorwa miriyoni reconsultancy papapo. So we can actually agree that this is what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe, and mari iri kubiwa zvechokwadi, mari iri kudyiwa. So this is what is very important, and this prompted these guys to write this letter yamuri kuona iri pascreen yakazonyorwa nana Moses Mpofu. And they were not happy because of the little peanuts they were given out of this 5 million yakabhadharwayo. They were not happy at all, and they wanted to get more, because they know for sure what was quoted and what they were given, commission 1 million, was not enough. They expected to have more, and that is the reason why you see achizobuda chipopota achiti musaita makaro, this and that. And this is $5 million which was paid right there, and this is the problem which we have right here in Zimbabwe. But we need to continue to prove kuti timu iri riri kutitungamirira iri imbavha chaidzo dziri serious. And to do so, we need to take a look onto various issues and the various evidences available right now to prove that indeed timu iri imbavha. So we can't continue to be led by such people up until Wikino Chivayo is arrested. Then we will know kuti number one is involved. Kana Chivayo asina sungwa, just know kuti team is involved. I think we talked about this issue 2 nights ago, where something which is less than 10,000 United States dollars was sold for 1.2 million. We brought it right here live when we investigated the price of the server 2 nights ago. And others have also confirmed what we said. Others have gone online to confirm that indeed that is true. Kuti hakuna server rinoita million. Just imagine, guys, where 10,000, less than 10,000 United States dollars, including shipping, is involved. And pobva patorwa 1.2 million. Chero muri ime hama dzangu, 1.2 million is a lot of money. We can't tolerate that nonsense. Honestly, for those who are saying, hey, mtungamiriri siyana ne mtungamiriri, we can't tolerate that nonsense. This is thievery. If Chivayo is not arrested as soon as possible, it means President Mnangagwa is involved. There is no other explanation which goes beyond that. If Chivayo is not arrested as soon as possible, the only explanation you have is that number one is involved in all these shenanigans, in all these deals. If he is not involved, we must see it by the arrest of Wicknell Chivayo. And that is it. So let us be honest with each other, Team Zimbabwe. We need to be honest. At this point in time, we cannot tolerate anything. We cannot tolerate anything. We can't let this happen. This is the reason why we are talking about these issues on a daily basis, making sure that we expose the corruption. So let us be honest with each other. Let us be honest with each other. The reason why Chivayo is not being arrested is because he is 100% involved. Dai papa name dropping yechokwadi kuri kunzi mukuru ari kupomerwa, Chivayo angadai akasungwa kare kare. Just imagine, kune vanhu vakasungirwa kuchinja $10 muroad. Kune vanhu vakasungirwa kuchinja $30 muroad. But munhu akaba million aka externalizer out of Zimbabwe, that million US dollars is not being arrested. Just imagine, IMBAVHA anonzi IMBAVHA ndeupi aba million ne aba $10 kana ne achinja $10 pa road yake, achinja $10 yake pa road ne aba million renyika anonzi IMBAVHA ndeupi. Why are these people not being arrested? It's because these people are well protected and well connected to the top. He can't arrest himself. You can't arrest yourself. That is the reason why you see Wicknell Chivayo still walking scot-free. He was making noise about buying brand new cars. Shanda inini. But let us tell the truth, guys. Timu iri IMBAVHA. That is the honest truth. That is the honest word ratinga shandisa pavanava. IMBAVHA hakuna name dropping yakadai. They were together kumbungo vachi donate $1 million US dollars. Vozotu that hanzie name dropping this and that. There is nothing called name dropping pakadai. So guys, the only thing we need to tell is vanu ava IMBAVHA. Yes, they are going to target us. Yes, they are going to come after us, but we have to speak against their corruption. We have to speak against their evil deeds. So, unozati guys, vanava kutaura chokwadi vatibira kusvika pekupedzesera. This is the reason why you see the Chivayos, they continue to walk scot-free. They continue to be the masters of this world. This is a South African who is mocking us. We are being mocked everywhere because of thieves like Wicknell Chivayo. They are flying in private jets. They are doing all sorts of things to spite us. Look, take a look on these cars, guys. How can somebody have a possession of such cars? Nemarie Kuba. These are cars, guys, high-valued cars. Nemarie Kuba, guys, this is painful. And we are told not to speak about these issues. How many cars, how many of these cars is he driving? Where did he work? He never worked from anywhere. He's just stealing, just looting from us. And all is well. All is well for the people within ZANU-PF. This is the evidence right here. This is the evidence right here. This is the evidence. So, Wicknell Chivayo IMBAVHA. He's a thief. That is the only thing we can say at this point in time. But arikubanani, because chatozwa ndechekuti IMBAVHA kana ikaba mapurisa anosunga kambavha yacho. We have the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission inogona kuinvestigate yosunga mbavha inonzi Wicknell Chivayo. We have the police of Zimbabwe inogona futi kuita investigation about this issue yabuda pa social media vosunga mbavha. If the police can investigate vanhu online vachisunga what is stopping them to investigate vana Chivayo vachivasunga? Job Sikala was arrested without a police report simply because the police believed that Job Sikala had incited violence. Why is it that Wikino Chivayo is not being arrested? Because the content is online. Content is online, which means the police can use the same precedents they used on Job Sikala to arrest Wikino Chivayo. They can use the same precedents they used to intimidate us to arrest Wikino Chivayo, or we also face a justice. But they can't because there are powers behind protecting Wikino Chivayo. Yes, everywhere he is seen together with the Vanamdara. This is the reason why people who are like Vanababa Harare, Vanashadaya, Vakatorati, we cannot take things we do not know. They know for sure that these are criminals. So, motikari dzese dzakaparedwa dzakapiwa vana madzibaba, dzakapiwa vana macheso, dzakapiwa nani, we don't hate them. But we are talking about these issues and say these people must be investigated and must be arrested. Wikino Chivayo must be at that best corner of Chikurubi. Yatinogara chivhundudzirwa na George Charamba. Ndopanofana kunge pana Wikino Chivayo epa. The person who must be denied bail was not Job Sikala. It was to be Wikino Chivayo, a criminal. IMBAVHA. Even Grace Mugabe, before she left power, she told us as the people kuti vakuru ava ndo vari kutora ma 30% ku every business riri kuuya ronzi tipe 30%, every business rauya tipe 30%. Aliko Dangote failed to come to Zimbabwe because of that 30% deal. Right now they are looting right in our eyes. Just like that mariri kubiwa mariri kuenda. Vana Scott is not only Wikino Chivayo. Vana Scott, they are equally involved in all these things. They are equally involved in all these criminal activities. So, Team Zimbabwe, what are we saying? We are saying we need to talk about these issues loud enough so that we make these people humiliated, exposed, so that everybody knows about what these people are doing. I hope and believe in my video aya achasvika kumisha. Ngatisheye ma videos aya neama dzedu dziri kumamisha kuti vana va IMBAVHA, vanhu vavari kuvhotera IMBAVHA. The reason why anakudzai mutisi vesava they are defending Wikino Chivayo is because vakapiwa mari kayekuba. Vakapiwa mari yekuba. You see, this is the problem which we have netimu iri. Rinoba. They were in Tanzania trying to meet with various presidents and different presidents. This just simply shows how these people are connected in terms of thievery. So, Wikino Chivayo airamba kuuya pama interviews. A lot of people will say, why is it that you are not giving Wikino Chivayo a chance to come and speak and defend himself? Airamba. Saka uri kuona kuti zvinhu izvi kaizvi pane problem. Vanhu ava IMBAVHA. Kana usina chekuhwandisa, why is it that you don't take calls from journalists? If you hear kuti this is a journalist asking me, you run. Guys, honestly Nyika iri kubirwa. Ini ndarwadziwa neseva riri kunzi rakaita 1.2 million. Hapana chinhu chinorwadza sekudaro guys. Seva less than $10,000 US, including transport, rakaita 1.2 million US. This is the reason why we say we have to talk about these issues. This is the only thing we can do at this point in time. As individuals, myself as an individual, this is the only thing I can do to speak against the tyranny, to speak against this thievery. If we die speaking, let it be it. Tizikanwa takafira kutaura kuti Chivayo na Mnangagwa vari kuba. Let it be. Kana vachitisunga, regai tisungwe. Tataura kuti Chivhayo naMnangagwa vari kuba. Enough is enough, because kana ndikasataura kuti Chivhayo ari kuba naMnangagwa, ndichaita kenza ndonofira kuchipatara ndonofa ndatadza kurapwa kuparire nyatwa. Yes, that is the honest truth. Mari yabiwa na Chivhayo chete yaari kutenga dzimotikari yaigona kutenga macancer machines ikadistribute across the provinces in Zimbabwe. But imari iri kubiwa nevamwe vanhu vachitenga mota. I do not hate anybody who is hardworking, ari kurima kupurazi kwake, ari kuita mari dzake through farming, ari kuita mari dzake through other means. But when it comes to the issue of tenderpreneurship, taking money for nothing, buying cars, it pains me a lot. People are driving Toyota Aquas, people are driving Mercedes Benzes, people are driving all these high-valued cars simply because somebody looted money. As it was, just to loot auto driver motor. Just like that, guys. In the Zimbabweans, this is the reason why we have to have this conversation. Kumi godi, vapana vacho ndo variko. They are grabbing my gold mines. Kwesenda kunana makahau. Kunana murewa makahau, mtoko. They are grabbing my gold mines, my gold claims, vangwe vanu. Kubvapa vakapinda, Embrace Mine, vakabva vasvika vakatora, kwese uko migodi yese, they now own mamine ese, ende munoona malutirwo ari kuitwa lithium, ende munoona malutirwo ari kuitwa diamond, malutirwo ari kuitwa gold. 15 billion yakataurwa na Mugabe. Ndo timu rakabai. And right now we are being told statements. ZANU-PF will come and say, hey, statement about Chivayo, this and that. Hey, stop name dropping the president. Because the gold mafia came out, they went into the defending mode, defending Emmerson Mnangagwa and exonerating Auxilia Mnangagwa and Hubert Angel. Zvakabva zvarova zvakadaro. Gold mafia exposed kuti kuri kubiwa over 100 million every month iri kubiwa munyika. This is the reason why we say even if mukada kuti convince kuti hanzi ma sanctions, we convince you better kuti these are not sanctions. Muri mbavha. Tisungei kana mchitisunga, tiurayei kana mchitiuraya, but chokwadi ndechekuti muri kuba. That is the reason why Wikino Chivayo is not arrested. How many hours after this information has got into the public domain? Evidence iri kuburitswa enough yekuti mapurisa edu dai anga ari serious. Vaingosvika pazeke apo ne warrant of search, vototi tipewo marecords enyu, voburitsa that information, voenda kumabanks ari kuburitswayo, nema warrant of search, vonosiza information iyoyo, voenda kakunana Chivayo, vonovasunga. Information iripo kudhara, which means they can rope in Interpol to investigate these issues. They can rope in South African authorities to investigate these issues. South Africa, South African police can deal with my issues and money laundering. They have that power. Zimbabwean authorities can instruct the South African authorities to investigate these issues because money laundering iripo. And the evidence is there. Investigations happen. Vanhu vakavharirwa. Ani muri kuzviona. Vanhu voiswa mukatikati kuseri nekuseri. Money is recovered because stolen property which was bought through stolen funds are there. Mari yotorwa because mota dzacho dziripo. Dziri kuzikanwa motikari dzakatengwa nemari yekuba. Guys, this is $4,695 US. Chinhu chakachajwa 1,264,000, which means 1,260,000. 1,260,000 yakabiwa, hama dzangu. Yakangoenda ichichema, hama dzangu. Aka kafiga aka kamuri kuona kanda highlight aka ndo kafiga kaigona kungotenga seva iri riri kutaurwa iri. Yese 1.26 million yakabiwa ikadyiwa iri. This is the reason why every day muchitona tichuya online is because zvinhu izvi zviri kuitika, mari dziri kubiwa muZimbabwe. Kana tikasabatana iwewe neni mwana weZimbabwe kushare mavideos aya kuti nyika yese izive kuti vanhu ava vari kuba. President Mnangagwa with his influence, he was a president. evidence yese ipa iri kubuda, vangadai vataura kuti mukomana ngaavharirwe kuseri kana vasiri involved. But Wikineu up to this time hasati asungwa is because they are involved, and no police officer will dare to move against the president of the republic. Unofira mahara. But ngavatiuraye kana vachitiuraya. We can't tolerate this nonsense because tichatadza kufa nezvitofa nezvirwere zviri kutiuraya munyika. Yes, this is the reason why they destroyed the opposition. It's because they want to fund these crooks so that there is no opposition whatsoever against them. What is their mode? They went into the defensive frenzy and they seem as if Mnangagwa has nothing involved or nothing to do with Chivayo. Why is Chivayo not arrested? Mamani changers akasungwa. Mamani changers vakasungirwei. Mamani changers akasungwa yachisungirwa tumari tusina msoro. Yet there are people who are externalizing money, millions being externalized from the economy of Zimbabwe. Just imagine 40 million being externalized from Zimbabwe ichingobuda ichienda ku South Africa. We have companies in Zimbabwe who could have supplied these materials at a low, very low cost. Personally, nini ndikapiwa contract yezvinhu zvese zvakanzi zvinodiwa kuzeki izvo, I can supply zeki nini. But there was no tender. We have been participating in these tenders to no avail. Muchingobhadhara mari dzematenda mahara dzichinyura, non-refundable mari dzematenda. Vana Chivayo vachitora. Mari dzematenda tabhadhara kakawanda, tichingonyura. Vana Chivayo vachitora. We know these things because we have been working online for a very long time, making my purchases of some individuals. Maseva adura. This is the reason why I was shocked that night. Pandakaona server chinzi 1.2 million. I actually bought a server for a client in Ini. I actually bought a server for a client less than $10,000. It was a Dell server. And a very big server than that one. I think 4 times bigger than server rakatengwa nana Chivayo iro. But zvakandishamisa kuti 1.2 million for a server. And you ask people who are in government, ndoma price acho. Iwe, ndoma price acho. Do you mean kuti we have people who can't even go online? Why do you have internet at ZEC? Why do you have computers at ZEC if you can't just simply type server rota mari to do your investigations? At RBZ, server rota mari. At the Ministry of Finance, server rota mari. At the President's Office, server rota mari. Do you mean kuti government this is the only server ratanga utengwa nezeki to an extent yekuti munobhadhara mari idzodzo dzese dzimusina kana kumbopika zvinhu zvakadaro? Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, what are you doing if you can't pick these things? It means the chief is here. Ndiye anenge ari mukuru wezveso. It's better to die telling the truth than to die hiding the truth. We will speak the truth. We will speak the truth. Yes. Why is it that vana vavasi kusungwa? It's because vakuru they are involved. Haana apa achazvisunga. It's time for us to speak out. This is the reason why there is no Minister of State Intelligence muno Zimbabwe. Every intelligence information inofana kuenda direct kumkuru. This is the reason why there is no accountability, because the state intelligence which must investigate these issues and make sure that they bring these issues to light well in time. Havasikuita basi. Isiso hatina access to this information, but state intelligence ine access to this information, but ka inakwe kuripota. Aiwa, enough is enough, Amazangu. Enough is enough. It's time for us as Zimbabweans to tell the truth as it is. Vana va IMBAVHA. Lawrence, thank you very much. Tate, thank you very much for coming. He says, very true. Can't arrest him because number one is involved, not only per deal iri, but all dirty deals. That's why vasiri kuda kubva pazvigaro, because it's a gabao. Yes. So many deals dzavaita vana ava vachitibira senyika. hanzi mari yekushanda chaiyo haungaiti yekupa vanhu zvakadaro vagari vatori nemota dzavo nherera hadzina kana pekuvata nepekudya. Yes, that is true. You cannot do these things. You know, we were questioning how these things were happening. And we were called all sorts of names. We were called haters. Some people even came to kuma emails, kuma WhatsApp kwedu. But hey, you hate. But right now the truth is there. And you are being told kuti hanzi somebody must make a police report. Akaripotera job sikala ndiani. There is no complainant in job sikala's matter except the state itself. Why is it that the state is not being a complainant in this case if the number one is not involved? Up until Wigino Chivayo Asungwa, President Mnangagwa, IMBAVHA, and you are involved. Let me make this clear. Kana Chivayo Asna Kusungwa, Mnangagwa, IMBAVHA, and Muri involved in this issue because it has gone public, your office has responded, and there is enough evidence, overwhelming evidence, to point out to this criminality, and you are not acting. More than 48 hours gone, 72 hours gone without Chivayo being arrested. And this information is publicly available online. And you have all access you need to ZEC and every office. But no investigation is happening, no arrests made so far. You told us, could you arrest to investigate? Why are you not arresting Chivayo to investigate? You arrested one, Asnakana Mosha. Bruce McLaren says, Kune protest irikurongwa na Gambakwe mukuru, joinai, munodzinga zano, use your platform to push it. There is no protest irikurongwa na Gambakwe mkoma Bruce. I'm telling you this, Gambakwe is part of the system. There is no protest. He is actually there to confuse people. Names are going to be published of people who are involved in that protest, and you see people being intimidated, people being arrested. I'm telling you, there is the real protest which is being organized. We will tell you about that protest. Can I tap you a green light to tell you about that protest? Irikurongwa, tichakuudzai isisu, and the organizers of that protest. Kwete Zana Gambakwe will never be involved in such activities Zana Gambakwe because there is no protest irikurongwa na Gambakwe. Gambakwe is misleading people as usual. Tinovaziva vana Gambakwe. Before the elections, he was attacking Nelson Chamisa. He was attacking Nelson Chamisa left, right, and center. So after the elections, ndopa akuti Chamisa right. After the elections, Gambakwe ndopa akuya achitudza ati Chamisa right. Hatina kupusa zvekudaro, guys. We know how these people operate. Gambakwe, before the elections, was dining with ZANU-PF vachinoita maprojects ekunana Karibau. They were dining with ZANU-PF before the elections. Soon after the elections, he comes to tell you kuti hey, election yakabiwa, election this and that, kune protest yatiri kuronga. Why was he not campaigning? Tai campaign about change. Sisu pana pa 24/7. We were intimidated. Personally, I became a candidate in a rural area, in a remote area, because I wanted to have change. Personally, I was hunted down. Team ZANU-PF, and I posted online about those issues right here. There is evidence. I posted about me being hunted by ZANU-PF people. I posted my audios. Even when ZANU-PF wachironga undibata pano. Gambakwe was attacking Nelson Chamisa during those days. And right now he is on the forefront. Kutanzi, protest. Why is it that he was not campaigning for change? He never used this platform to campaign for change in the last election. He never used this platform to campaign for change. We left everything. We lost personally. I lost contracts because I started opposing ZANU-PF. I lost a lot of contracts. My business went down. Everything went down. I lost everything. My creditors akauya akatora mota yangu, akatora ma properties zangu. Simply because I lost my contracts and I now because ndakatanga kuopoza ZANU-PF. I will never join campaign protest campaign yana Gambakwe kunyepa. I'm telling you this. When the real protest information comes out, you hear it from us because we know about everything and anything which is happening. We have every information. The reason why we are not talking about that information is because we have not been given any green light. This is the reason why we are quiet. Kana yasvika nguva yacho tichataura about the way forward, about ma protests ari kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Protests are being planned, but not in Mnangagwa. I will not give you any further details, but this is the information I can tell you at this point in time. So, Team Zimbabwe, Emmerson Mnangagwa is looting. There is overwhelming evidence everywhere of looting and corruption. ZANU-PF youth is the reason why they've went into frenzy to attack Chiwenga. It's because they are there to protect their boss. The instruction is, let's go and protect your boss, Emmerson Mnangagwa. That is the instruction at hand. That is the reason why they are there to protect him. But the honest truth is, they know for sure kuti vakomana ava IMBAVHA. IMBAVHA. So protecting Emmerson Mnangagwa the same way you did in a gold mafia. Azvifambi. Gold mafia maka protector Mnangagwa. Ike zvino zviyabuda futi imwe evidence. Mo manya futi kuno protector Mnangagwa. But you never question the reason why your leader is protecting Chivayo from getting arrested. We talked about 22 million, which was awarded to Chivayo from ZPC by the courts. Right now, as we speak, Chivayo is trying to coerce Zimbabwe Power Company to give him tender 10 megawatts. Iye asina kudelivera 100 megawatts, arikuda imwe yeye 10 megawatts. And at 14 million United States dollars, tender irikuda 2 million. Iye arikuda ubhadarwa 14 million. That is corruption. And the mari dzese dziri kuperera kuma slay queen. Ndo vanhu vari kutora mari dzedu dzenyika maslay queen aya. You see, enough is enough. Unoziva kuti inini handichatya ike zvinezvi. Taneta nevanhu vekuti ukataura I will sue you, but they will never fight corruption. They will never fight corruption. Vanhu vese ava Team Zimbabwe, Henrietta Rushwaya, do you know kuti munhu ari kupomerwa naHenrietta Rushwaya kuti aida kutora corruption ye 20,000 akapiwa 8 years. Henrietta Rushwaya ari kufamba scot free, was given a suspended sentence. Munhu waainzi aida kubhadhara bribe akapiwa 8 years behind bars. It's because the poor must rot in jail. That young man akapiwa 8 years, to tell you the truth, haana kutora bribe kuna Rushwaya. He wanted to provide more evidence kuti Rushwaya aende kuseri, and he was accused of demanding bribe from Rushwaya and was punished with 8 years to send a message kumapurisa ese kuti kana pabatwa mukuru auite zvauri kuita izvozvo. That is the honest truth. That is the honest truth. So Team Zimbabwe, we must be very careful with these people. Anzi vanhu ngavangwarire pana Gambakwe. Parents shiri akaenda sekutamba ashamwaridzana naGambakwe uyu. Sezvaari kuita General Chiwenga. Gambakwe handimutembe. So trust Gambakwe at your own peril. I have told you my position, and at this point in time, what I can tell you is President Nelson Chamisa is not working with Gambakwe. He is not connected to Gambakwe. This is what I can tell you. There is no change champion attached to Gambakwe. Gambakwe is trying to make moves. Achitaura navo. I know that you try to come with some fake WhatsApp chichi achikudzai kuti I'm connected to Ningi. Ndiri kutaura na Ningi vatopa green light. Those are lies. I'm telling you that. Kana yasvika nguva yeprotest, we will tell you from these platforms, and it's because we want things to happen according to the real plan. Not zvana Gambakwe zvavari kutaura. Do you think kuti state intelligence inozvitambira zvese zviro inobvumira vana Gambakwe kuita zvese zvavari kuita izvi? Haizvibvumire. Handinozvona. This is the reason why they are doing this, so that everybody shows up. I want to give you a tangible evidence yekuti muzive kuti Gambakwe is involved. Tinashe Jonasi used to come pa platform pa Gambakwe. Achiti vanhu vese vari muSouth Africa ngatite revolution. A lot of people signed up kuna Tinashe Jonasi vakati we are ready, because Tinashe Jonasi aibuda achiti ndine zvombo, ndine pfuti, handeti nobvisa Mnangagwa. Everybody came akabuda pamashows aTinashe Jonasi. vakauya kuna Tinashe Jonas vakaregister. Those people were sold out, were arrested. Vari ku South Africa. Those people, there are some people who are even missing from that Ningia na Tinashe Jonas. Vakaenda kunojoina na Tinashe Jonas. Vari missing up to this day. Vasiri kuzikanwa nema families avo kuti vari kupi. Who just disappeared. But simply because their families were in Zimbabwe, nobody knows kuti vakaita sei vanhu ivavo. Because Tinashe Jonas was working for the system. They flashed out everybody who was thought kuti was planning something. That is the reason why pakazoita group yakazoenda kuno revenge kuna ikarova Tinashe Jonas, is because vamwe vavo vanga vanyura. That is the honest truth. Who was propelling that information? It's Gambakwe who was giving Tinashe Jonas a platform yekunyudzisa vamwe makomrades aido vari ku South Africa. Vakafa, vakanyura, vamwe vasiri kutozikanwa kuti vari kupi up to this day. Vamwe vakazvambaradzwa, vakaremadzwa ku South Africa. That information is there. That is Gambakwe for you. Right now, akuchiku round aya achikuunganidzai achitora mari dzenyu. Everybody is being noted kuti ningi are participating in all these things. Ende mchaona patinoenda hakuna mukaramba mchishanda na Gambakwe, hakuna protest inoitika. Hakuna, because what you will do is expose your names as usual. You will expose these names. This is the reason why you chona ati vana Gambakwe, they will never want to work with my platforms akaita sedu. Gambakwe anokudzai kuti azive platform yangu inoi. Gambakwe, he watches this platform, but he will tell you kuti handizive Gambakwe. He will tell you kuti handizive because he knows for sure that is coming people and working with ZANU-PF 24/7, working with ZANU-PF. Kwende zvamunotiudza zvokuti hanzi chiizvi. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Emerson Mnangagwa is stealing vanhu vari kubirwa muZimbabwe na Emerson Mnangagwa. Up until wiki no Chivayo asungwa, I stand with my position yekuti Emerson Mnangagwa ari kuba. Up until Chivayo asungwa, I stand with my position. Let me tell you this. Emerson Mnangagwa mukaenda kunonzi kumwenezi. Aisa varungu kumwenezi. Ku area yakaswa vanhu vetokwe mkosi. Aisa varungu vari kubvisa vanhu vatema. As we speak right now. Aisa varungu vari kubvisa vanhu vatema. Kuti vaende vanorima vanoita irrigation iko. But vanhu vatema ivavo vari kuda mvura imwe chete kuti vaite irrigation. He can't sponsor them. This is Emerson Mnangagwa for you. He is a criminal. He prioritizes white people over black people. Vanhu vatema vekuna namwenezi, they are facing eviction right now. As we speak. There is enough information and evidence. But they will never deal with these issues because they don't care about us. They don't care about the people. This is the reason why they loot. This is the reason why they steal unprovoked. And enough is enough. We have to speak about these issues. We have to confront the system as it is. So Team Zimbabwe, if you have not subscribed to this platform, make sure that you have subscribed. A lot is happening. A lot is being planned. And we will tell you, give you information. After we have been given a green light, we will tell you about these issues. We will give you the much needed information yamurufana kunge muchiziva about possible protests zichaitika muno muZimbabwe, which means you don't need to miss out. Make sure that you have subscribed. Make sure that you are following us on both Facebook and also on here on YouTube, and we'll be giving you those updates and we'll be telling you what needs to be done. We'll be communicating with you once there is need for us to communicate. So thank you very much, Team Zimbabwe. We need to make sure that we deal with these issues. And it's true, if you was genuine, their protest trip to SADC should be about 30 June 2024, not August. Gambakwe is very suspicious. Do you know that Gambakwe is one of the people I thought my elections are 30 June? Where are the elections? Gambakwe was one of the people I thought my elections are coming on 30 June. I came on this platform, I was attacked by people saying that you don't need progress. Why is it that you are speaking against my elections at 30 June? I was attacked on this platform. I told the people that there are no elections for 30 June. I clearly told the people about that. I was attacked right here. Saka, the issue is about change in Zimbabwe. We need genuine people who are here for change. Gambakwe is moving around achiataka vanhu vari kuita championing for change online. Achitaura kuti hey, ghost this and that. How can you say Chatufa is a ghost? I have seen so many messages. Hey, Chatufa is a ghost, this and that. These are people who are fighting for change. These are people who are fighting for change in their own way. What you need is not the face of Chatufa. What you need is the voice of Chatufa. That voice is very important. Personally, I do not hide anything because I am in a position to speak out as I am. How do you expect munhu ari kushanda within the system kuti aburitse face yake? Ari kupa vanhu information about what is happening yakakosha. Ari kushanda from operating from the deepest parts of Zimbabwe kuti aburitse face yake. Gambakwe anoburitsa face yake asingatye because iye pachake is part of ZANU-PF. Isisu atichke because we have been hunted left, right and center. We have been victimized. I started to speak. I worked for the government of Zimbabwe. I started to speak in Ndichirimo Murumende macho. I started to point out corruption in Ndichirimo Zimbabwe macho Murumende yavo. So when I started this thing, I knew about this corruption. I knew about this looting. I started to speak from within. And they knew for sure that I was speaking. They knew for sure that I was speaking. So there is no need for me to hide because I am speaking on daily basis. But there are people who might be vulnerable, just hiding their faces for the sake of their safety and security. We have to fight for change. We have to fight for change in Zimbabwe. This is my last remarks, Team Zimbabwe. Emerson Mnangagwa kusvika musi achasunga wiki nochivhayo ndo day randichamira kutaura kuti imbavha. Job Sikala was arrested without a police report. Wiki nochivhayo must be arrested without a police report. Zimbabwe Electoral Commission leaders must be arrested without a police report because there is overwhelming evidence of corruption. Seva iro rakabiwa iro rakatengwa ne 1.2 million rinoita $5,000. That is enough to initiate arrest of Priscilla Chigumba netimu rese riri pazek together with Wiki Nochivayo and deny them bail the same way they did to Job Sikala. They set a precedence. They must use that precedence. Then my last remarks on Gambakwe. Gambakwe is working for ZANU-PF. Go to pre-elections, Gambakwe was attacking Nelson Chamisa, left, right and center before the elections. Isisu taimira panapa pa platform ino, before the elections. Ndiri candidate, ndichiuya to online, ndiri candidate, ndichiuya to online on daily basis, ndichitaura about change inini, ndaiuya pano pa Africa and beyond. Ndakaenda muruzeva ndikanomhanyiswa neZANU-PF every day ndesingarare mumba. This period yatiri inoi Juni wese ndandisingarare mumba ini, July wese ndandisingarare mumba ini, August wese handina day randakarara mumba. Ndakanga ndichitaura about change. Ndichimhanyiswa neZANU-PF, ndichivhimiwa neZANU-PF, ndichitsvagwa neZANU-PF. Evidence is there. We posted about it. Gambakwe was supporting ZANU-PF. Gambakwe is not the first person angauya kuzotudza about change nhasi. Pese pataida change akanga asingataure nezve change. Pese pataimhanyiswa akanga asingatisapote. Nhasi ndo paakuuya achitaura nezve change. There is nothing like that. We know these people. Gambakwe worked with Tinashe Jonasi, a well-known ZANU-PF person. Vakashanda vese vanhu vaiva muSouth Africa vakakuvadzwa because of Tinashe Jonasi. Paakanga achita zvokuti hanzi takutora nyika this and that. Asiro matorerwa anoitwa nyika aitwa nana Jonasi aya. That was a way of trying to fool our people. And as usual, our people will continue to fall for online scams. Vanouya voskama vanhu vojoina zvinhu izvozvo. The same way people are joining this addict thing is the same way people are were joining Tinashe Jonasi Gambakwe platform. Pakauya yaitaurwa yana matapo, this and that, vari kupi vana matapo ivavo. So you have to know the people you are dealing with. I have told you, and I don't need to tell you more about those things. And Gambako is always having meetings. Dai ari munhu chaiye akavengwa neZANU-PF angadai akatsvairwa kudhara. So I want to tell you this, Team Zimbabwe, I love you all. Thank you very much for coming. Make sure that you have subscribed. Make sure that you have liked. Make sure that you are sharing these videos. And we are speaking from the position of no fear because we believe that there is need for change. We believe that change is coming. Definitely, change is coming to the nation of Zimbabwe. And we have overwhelming evidence about change coming to the nation of Zimbabwe. The system is shaking. As we speak right now, the system is shaking. The information yamuri kuona iri kubuda public domain haisi kungobuda zviri nyore, ine mabudiro airi kuita, which is a clear indication and clear sign yekuti the system is shaking. And thank you very much everybody for coming. We'll be coming here live, and every day we are alive on Africa and Beyond television network, speaking about these issues, exposing these issues. Till we meet again in other episodes, much love.